2020 has been a challenging year for all of us, but no matter what, it's always best to be home for the holidays. Hello, welcome to our next episode of Home for the Holidays. Today we're going to make American buttercream. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to whip our butter. So you need some high quality butter, and it has to be at room temperature. Put it into your mixer and make it happen. Whip it and whip it good. While you're whipping your butter, now you can prepare your powdered sugar. And to prepare your powdered sugar, don't sift it. That's the old person's technique. Use a blender, and the blender will aerate your powdered sugar, and it will be much lighter, much better, and no lumps. So the next step is adding the powdered sugar to the butter. And how you do this is you put about a cup at a time. And here I have half cup increments. Get all myself. And then you whip it for about 10 seconds at the highest power. A pro tip for those who might not know this is that you can't put the powdered sugar in and turn it on full blast right away. If you do, the powdered sugar flies everywhere. So you have to start slowly and build up so that it works. Next is to add some vanilla. And you can add a teaspoon or more. Now I like vanilla, so I'm going to add more. Then you have your whipping cream. And then a pinch of salt. Now is once you have everything together is to let it whip till it gets nice and creamy and let the whipping cream do its job. So here we go. All right, once you've finished whipping your buttercream, it's time to taste. Get a big scoop out. Make sure you use your pinky. Taste. And remember, the key to great buttercream is to aerate it in your blender. Happy holidays.